Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up Find My Phone on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open Settings, then go to Security and Privacy. Now just select Lost Device Protection. From here, just tap on Find My Mobile. Now just enable Allow this phone to be found. After that, just enable Send Last Location, and once you enable this option, and if your device is stolen or lost, you can check the last location where it was connected to the internet. And also enable Offline Finding. Now once you enable all these options, just go back and tap on Theft Protection. Now just tap on Identity Check and tap on Continue. Now from here, you can enter safe places like your home, your work, or any other place. After that, just go back and tap on Theft Detection Lock. Now just tap on Turn On. And once you enable this option, and if it detects that someone took your phone, it will lock the screen of your smartphone. After that, just tap on Offline Device Lock and tap on Turn On. And once you enable this option, your smartphone screen will lock if your smartphone loses network connection. After that, just tap on Remote Lock and enable this toggle. And once you enable this toggle, and if your smartphone is lost or stolen, you can remotely lock your smartphone by using your PC or any other phone. Now after that, just go back and tap on Lock Screen. Then go to Secure Lock Settings. Now just enter your PIN and make sure you enable Lock Network and Security. And once you enable this option, your smartphone will require the password to power off your smartphone. And also it will require the password to power off the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the location. Just like that. And this is how you can set up Find My Phone on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.